You're looking for a Windows-based cable and conduit schedule program. Let's explore some options broken down into free and paid software. First, consider free software options. ConduitCalc offers comprehensive cable and conduit sizing calculations with schedule generation capabilities. Cable Sizer is an advanced cable sizing tool that can generate reports and schedules. WireCalc is a versatile wire and cable size calculator that includes schedule printing. Now let's move on to paid software alternatives. Ease is an industry-leading electrical engineering software solution complete with cable and conduit scheduling features. AutoCAD Electrical is a CAD software program designed specifically for electrical design. This includes extensive cable and conduit management tools. Bentley Open Buildings Designer is a building information modeling software, or BIM for short, with specialized modules for cable and conduit scheduling. Chief Architect Premier is home design software which includes cable and conduit routing tools. Revit is another type of BIM software and includes electrical design capabilities that involves cable and conduit scheduling. When you evaluate these different software options, consider the following points. 1. Features. Determine the specific features you need, such as automatic sizing, a bill of materials generation, and even three-dimensional visualization. 2. Price. Choose software that fits your budget. 3. Learning curve. Consider the time it will take to learn and use the software efficiently. 4. Compatibility. Ensure the software is compatible with your operating system and any existing design tools. 5. Support. Look for software with reliable technical support should you encounter issues.